Hello, fellow NPP executive members. I thank you all for taking time to be here today. It is an indication of our commitment to the National People's Party, NPP, and an encouraging sign that we will continue to stick together and work together, united, determined, and focused on achieving and upholding the noble ideals and objectives of our party. We have come a long way together and should not take our successes for granted. When we launched the National People's Party, many people did not take us seriously. While some people thought we were merely reacting to a specific situation, others believed that the party would not last beyond one election cycle. In response, we did not make empty noise. Instead, we focused on building a solid and permanent party. We have succeeded because we stood firm, focused on the issues that require our attention, and remain genuine and convincing. Together, we gradually earn the trust of the Gambian people, village by village, ward by ward, region by region, and the trust of the international community as well. Comrades, our goal is not to stay in power. What truly matters is making the best use of power when it is given to us. The people living out there, from the Combos to Kantora, do not care about internal party debates. They care more about water, roads, hospitals, and jobs. They care more about school fees and whether their children will live better lives than they are doing at present. In brief, they are interested in their lives, their aspirations, and their future. This is the reality we must face collectively. So, to put it frankly, not just as your leader, but as someone who understands the stakes and feels them. If this party is to continue leading this country well, we must do a better job of organizing and leading ourselves.